Morning students, how are you all? Hope everybody is doing good, right? Okay, as we are continuing this Telugu to English series, we are going to learn today this one. Okay, yes. I think hope everybody can see the board clearly, right? Okay. నువ్వు సంతోషంగా ఉన్నావా? Are you happy? అవును, నేను చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉన్నాను. Yes, I am very happy. నువ్వు నిద్రపోతున్నావా? Are you sleeping? లేదు, నేను నిద్రపోవడం లేదు. No, I'm not sleeping. నువ్వు నా మీద కోపంగా ఉన్నావా? Are you angry with me? Okay, so these are the questions and these are the answers for them. So I want everybody, for this question I want everybody to comment down in the comment box. Okay, if you want me to do more videos, I want you to comment down in the comment box for asking me to post more videos. So I'll be definitely doing all those videos. So don't forget to subscribe to Magneq software. Bye bye.